What's up, you guys? In today's video, you're going to be learning how to make your own online course in under 10 minutes. I'm going to show you guys how to do everything step by step and how you can get started right away. So let's get started right now. So the platform that we're going to be using today is Teachable. Teachable is a platform that I personally use for my course. I'm going to show you guys how you can do the whole thing in 10 minutes. This is going to be a very fast-paced video. So if you want to come back to this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, like this video if you can, it really helps out. I'm going to have the Teachable link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments, so you can follow along with this whole process. What's good about this whole tutorial is that it's going to be free until you're ready to be uploading videos as well. Let's get started right away. So the first thing you want to do is start for free here, and you want to sign in with all your information. Let's put this here. So once you have all the info, you're just going to click create account. You're going to fill this information out. This is pretty much a summary. You're going to fill this information out. This is pretty much like survey type of thing. So you can just put whatever. Content creator. So once you filled all this information out, you're going to click next. And now you're on the basic platform for Teachable. Now what we're going to be doing in this whole situation is that we're going to be using AI, artificial intelligence, to help us out make a template for the course that we're trying to make. So whatever you're into, whatever niche you're in, you can always do this with ChatGBT. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. If you're not familiar with ChatGBT, it's an AI software that you can use that's absolutely free. I'm going to also have it in the link down below, or you can just Google it, ChatGBT, and you'll be able to sign in and sign up for free. So this is the website for ChatGBT, chat.openai.com, and you're just going to log in here. You can log in with your Gmail account. So once you're signed in on ChatGBT, we're going to go here to Teachable, and we're going to click start building. So let's say for this example, what I'm going to be doing, let's say I'm going to teach people how to trade in the stock market, how to get familiar with the stock market and how to trade, and what to do exactly for that. So for here, I'm going to put stock market master course. Of course, you can put whatever you want for here, whatever your niche is, and we're going to click continue. You can generate it with AI. You could build it from scratch. What I'm going to be doing, because we have ChatGBT here, is that I'm going to be building it from scratch. You can use this one, but I found out ChatGBT is a little bit better with it. So we're going to build it from scratch. And now this is going to be how it's looking so far. It's blank with modules and lessons that we're going to add. So with ChatGPT, what we're going to tell it to say, we're going to put let's say I am making a course related to, and let's put all this right here. I need modules and lessons for this. I need a lot of lessons for each module. You can always tell it if you don't like something. If you do, this is going to just give you a basic template for your course. You can click start. So now what it did was it gave us modules and lessons for each of the courses here. So you can tell it, like, for example, if you don't like module 1, you can tell it, give me more different lessons for module 1, or replace this with this. But this is just a template for us. So we're going to just copy this. We're going to put it back for the module. And now we're going to put the lessons in here. Boom. Lessons. And like I said, this is just a template for now. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adjusting it later on and making it even better. So let me just do this really quick, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So now what I did was I copy and pasted all of the ChatGPT modules and lessons on the Teachable. This took me around 2 minutes to do, but this just gives us a template of what we're going to be teaching for the course. So like whatever you're a master at, or like very high expertise on, this is going to be just a template for you. And then what you're going to be doing with this is adjusting it to your needs. And by going here, clicking this here, and what you can do here is add your video, your text, your images, add a PDF if you need to, upload quizzes, things like this. And this is going to help you build your course a lot faster and just start moving. So after you're done with this, the next thing you're going to be doing is going to pricing, and we're going to be adding our price. Let's say for this course, we're going to put a one-time purchase here, or there's a free option, one-time purchase, a subscription plan, a payment plan. Let's do one-time purchase. Let's say we're trying to charge $500 to $499. Let's put stock master course. You're going to put a little description here. And then what you're going to do is have it there. And it's, of course, that's the price right there. What we're going to be doing now is creating the sales page. The sales page is the URL that you're going to be giving all your customers to give them, the opportunity to buy your course. This is where you pitch your course and why they should be buying it. I like to make the sales page very simple, minimalistic style, and because the customer already kind of wants your product, so you don't have to push them too much. Like, it's very easy to persuade somebody if they already want it. You don't have to over pitch. That's why I like to have a more minimalistic style, because they like you and that how you teach. We're gonna go to the sales page here and we're gonna click edit. And like I said, we're gonna make a very minimalistic sales page compared to all of this here. I don't like to do all this. I'm gonna be deleting all of this here. And what I personally like to do is click video here, click add. We're gonna add the video here. We're gonna go back, put this on the top, delete this. So we're gonna have an intro video. We're gonna be talking, we're gonna pitch the viewer whatever we're introducing. And what we're gonna also add is a button. So we're gonna click here, button, and let's click add. For the go to URL, it's gonna go to checkout page. And it's gonna take them to the checkout page. And what we can name this here is let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, you go back. And now the sales page is pretty much done. You can change the background color, make it look a little nicer if you want to. But if you go to design, let's say about the background. If you wanted the background to be like soft yellow, and then that can be black, something like this. Very minimalistic style. Of course, you can play with it, change the font, things like that. But I personally like a very minimalistic sales page. That way, you know, you're not trying to oversell. I don't like when it's really spammy or anything like that. And what I like to do with my course is I like to give a lot of free content. I like to give a lot of free content because that gives more confidence to the viewer. The viewer, the customer, the potential customer, there's a lot of sketchy stuff on the internet, especially with like YouTube and fake gurus out there and everything like that. So what I personally like to do that helps a lot is I like to give out a lot of free content. I like to give out as much as I can. That way, you know, people get confidence in you and they know like, okay, this person is serious. This person knows what they're talking about. Let me take the initiative to purchase the course, because there's a lot of fake gurus out there and stuff like that. So a lot of people are skeptical with courses, and I completely understand. People are willing to pay for college classes like $500, but they're not willing to pay for a course, which is like $300, you know? College classes, sometimes electives, music appreciation, like $500 for an elective. Crazy, but that's the world we live in today. So I really think Teachable and making a course is very, very good for you. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to click update and we're pretty much ready to go. So you are on the free plan for Teachable here. And what's the cool thing about it is that you could probably finish this course. If you're serious about it, you could probably finish the course, I would say, in about a week. If you film, you can even use your phone and film and just get it all done. If you want to use Teachable, yeah, just use the link down below. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you can. And now let's click course setup right here. And now you're gonna publish the course, then you're gonna publish it right here, and now it's done. Now you have the URL for your course, and you're done with your course. All you have to do is upload videos now to it and just finish it up. That's about it, guys. So if you have any questions regarding this, leave them in the comments down below. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can. Also hit that subscribe button and like this video if you can, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.